Welcome to Math Challenge 140. Math Challenge brings you interesting math quiz problems, questions and patterns, useful for junior and senior levels of national and international Olympiads, numerical reasoning and quantitative aptitude tests, and other competitive exams. Here is a set of 5 quick, easy but tricky problems. Minimal or no rough work is required for their solution. Use of calculator is prohibited. Most of you would be able to solve it within a few seconds and would not need to pause the video. You may pause the video, but it is not recommended. Take a sheet of paper and a pencil. Write down the answers, allowing the video to proceed with its inbuilt timer settings. At the end of 5 questions, we will provide the correct answer as well as the quick solution method for each problem. Here is the first question, question 140.1. P square minus P cube is equal to 150. Find the integer value of P. We repeat, find integer P if square of P minus cube of P is equal to 150. Your timer is on. Here is the second question, question 140.2. X power 30 plus x power 20 is equal to 80. Find x power 50. X is not a rational number, but your final answer, that is, x power 50, is a natural number. Repeat, x power 30 plus x power 20 is equal to 80. What is x power 50? Your timer is on. Now comes the third question, question 140.3. The ratio of the ages of P and Q are as follows. 4 years ago, the ratio was 3:5. Now, at present, the ratio is 2:3. What will be the ratio 4 years hence? You can of course form the equations, but that would take more time. There is a shorter way than through equations. Your timer is on. This is the penultimate question, question 140.4. This is an exponential equation. Left side, base is x, and exponent is x. That is, x power x. Right side, base is 2, exponent is 3x plus 192. X is a natural number. Your timer is on. This is the last question, question 140.5. This is another exponential equation. N power 32 is equal to 2 power n. N is a natural number. Repeat, find natural number n such that n power 32 is equal to 2 power n. Your timer is on. We have come to the end of the session. We are sure that most of you have been able to solve them easily and within the allotted time span. Now, we will give the answers and also the quick method to solve such problems. So, here are the answers, check how many you got right. Surely all are right. Answer to question 140.1. Break 150 as powers of 5, that is, 25 plus 125, or 5 square plus 5 cube. But we have got a minus sign between p square and p cube on the left side. So write minus 5 instead of 5. Square of minus 5 minus cube of minus 5 gives 25 plus 125. So, P is equal to minus 5. Answer to question 140.2. X power 30, x power 20, x power 50. The common factor is x power 10. Let m be equal to x power 10. X power 30 is m cube. X power 20 is m square. M cube plus m square is equal to 80. Break 80 as 64 plus 16, that is 4 cube plus 4 square. Comparing, we get m is equal to 4. We need x power 50 or m power 5, which is 4 power 5. 4 power 5 is 1024. Answer to question 140.3. The ratio of the ages of P and Q may be written as 4 years ago, ratio was 3:5. Multiplying each term by 4, equivalent ratio is 12:20. At present, ratio is 2:3. Multiplying each term by 8, equivalent ratio is 16:24. The ratio are so changed that the difference is 4. See the differently colored phones. So, ratio for years hence would be 16 plus 4 and 24 plus 4. That is 20:28 or 5:7. Answer to question 140.4. On right side, exponent is 3x plus 192. Taking out 3 as common, we get base 2, exponent 3 into x plus 64. 2 power 3 is 8. So, 8 power x plus 64. This we split as 8 power x into 8 power 64. Transpose. Left side, x power x divided by 8 power x. Write as x by 8, whole power x. Right side, 8 power 64. Write as 64 by 8, whole power 64. Compare the left side and the right side. We get x is equal to 64. Answer to the last question, 140.5. N power 32 is equal to 2 power n. Product of exponents 32n. Raise both sides to power 1 by 32n. We get n power 1 by n is equal to 2 power 1 by 32. Now, 1 by 32 is equal to 8 by 256. 2 power 8 by 256. This is 256 power 1 by 256. N power 1 by n is equal to 256 power 1 by 256. So, n is equal to 256.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel, if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.